good, y'all? It's your boy iSooSwaggy here. Today I'm gonna put you guys on some game real quick, you know what I'm saying? So today I got a bunch of shoes that I'm gonna clean up. I'm gonna show y'all how to clean these. Look at that. Damn. These are like my weekly routine that I be doing every week, every shoe that I wear. And I'm gonna show y'all how to properly clean your shoes. Ignore my sweatiness, you know what I'm saying? I just got back from the gym lifting. Look at it. Whoa. Yeah. Damn. Alright, let's get down to it. I'm gonna make it short, simple, and sweet for y'all. Let me find a spot to put my camera though. Alright, so guys, first what I use is called Jason Marks. Let's see if that focus real quick. Alright, bam. That's what I use to clean my shoes every time. This goes for like 17 bucks. You can find like Foot Locker and whatnot. Damn, why is this shit not focusing? Alright. It usually comes with a brush too. Bam. Comes with the kit. Usually I always do put some warm water up in there. Just warm up real quick. You know? And I feel like the warm water like gets all the dirt off more easier than cold water. That's why I use that. Usually fill up like a whole cup full. Like that, you know what I'm saying? That's a good amount right there. Alright. Let me see this. Alright. So what you wanna do, pop this open, boom. Then you wanna squeeze, I'll say like probably like an ounce. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One for good luck. That's about an ounce right there. Then I'm just gonna dip the brush in, let it soak in there for a bit, stir it up, leave it there for like a minute. Now before I give you guys a tip, right, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below, because I know y'all that be watching aren't subscribed to me, so better hit that button for more tips like this. You take a towel, wipe down your shoes after. I never clean the bottom because there's really no point, because it's always gonna get dirty every time you wear it. So I always clean the sides. For these shoes, I'm gonna aim for the white first and then I'm gonna hit on top. So now, you take your brush right here, got the juice on there. Now start with the white. I usually stay in one spot between like 1 to 3 inches only. So it's more concentrated on cleaning that certain area right there, like that. I don't go too far out, because you're always gonna keep on dipping it in. So the brush is always gonna stay fresh no matter what. So you don't have to go scrubbing all around crazy. Just stay in one main spot first, just to clean up all that area. Like that, everything should be looking good. Start with the toe now. Usually the toe is the hardest part because there's like an angle right here, so it's hard to like get in it. So for me, I just go 1, 2, 1, 2, back and forth. Give it a little wave, brush on top, like that. Man, it's hot over here. Whew, sweating already. Now, go on this side. So, basically I'm working my way all around right here, starting from the corner toe. That's usually where all the dirt's at. Get this out. Looking brand new already, guys. Now before you get all the way around, you want to wipe down the spots that you just worked on so that the dirt doesn't spread. So you want to wipe down every leakage that drips down before it stains up more. So you want to get rid of all that first, dry it up. There you go. Now just keep on going, same thing. Look at that, you already see improvements already. Keep going with this. Let me see. Now I usually like to do it over like a bathtub because it's more easier to clean after instead of the sink, because the sink be splashing everywhere. So you want to get rid of everything out. Get the sides going. That. Now 1 cup usually lasts about maybe 3 pairs of shoes, depending on what kind of shoes. If it's like all white base, it might take more, but I usually start with like the stuff that's like harder to clean, like these. First, get it out the way. Get this going. scrub that out. And see, you got a little dirt on the heel right here. I'm gonna get rid of that one. Boom. Now, the main thing you want to do when you clean is to keep your laces clean. You don't want to stain your laces, otherwise it's hard to bring it back to life after. Because you might have to throw in laundry or something. Boom. Boom. Brand spanking new all over again. Look at the difference. Dirty, clean. Dirty, clean. Dirty, clean. Dirty, clean. Back to brand new. Now, like I said on the other shoes, how you want to keep your laces clean. On all white shoes like Air Forces, you do not want to touch the laces at all because it will turn brown. Especially when your water is like, look, you see my water's already like darkish from the other shoe. You do not want to touch the laces with these. You just want to hit the main upper and go down. Make sure you brush down. You don't want to brush up, otherwise it's going to splash all the dirt onto the laces. So you want to brush down like that. Same thing with the toe. Brush down. Brush down, Tatiana, you feel me? Look at that. Look at brand new already. Brush down. Let me see. Wipe. Especially when you wipe it down too. Boom, boom, boom. You can already see the difference already. Look at that. Dirty, clean. You get the point. Anyways, hope you guys liked the video. Make sure you comment down below, subscribe, and always keep it swaggy. And I'm out. Peace.